The HUGEOAKS adjustable comfortable bike seat stands out for its customizable width, letting riders fine-tune sit-bone support for long outings on road, mountain, or indoor bikes. Its carefully contoured shape distributes pressure away from sensitive areas, easing strain on the tailbone and lower back while still allowing a natural, unrestricted pedal motion. A spring steel arc support and reinforced tail section give the saddle impressive stability, helping it stay balanced and composed even under heavier riders or over rough ground. Thick, high-density memory foam padding adds a plush feel that keeps the hard base from poking through when the bike hits bumps or potholes. The cover and hardware are built from corrosion-resistant materials that hold up well to sweat and bad weather, making this seat a solid choice for daily commuting or training. It uses a standard rail design that mounts easily to most posts, so swapping it onto a city bike, mountain bike, road bike, or stationary exercise bike is straightforward even for casual home mechanics.